Students, we are going to learn calculation of interest on capital in partnership accounts. In last video, we learned calculation of interest on capital, but in that case, the opening capital was given. But here, the opening capital will not be given, that we have to ascertain. Then we have to calculate the interest on capital. If we want to find opening capital, first we should thorough with the format of finding the opening capital. Look at the board. Calculation of opening capital. Calculation of opening capital. The format is closing capital plus drawing. Closing capital plus drawings minus additional capital then we have to deduct profit earned during the year. We'll get one value that we called opening capital. Then we have to calculate interest on capital on opening capital as well as on the additional capital. Now we are going to solve one problem in relation to the calculation of interest on capital. Look at the problem. Sum number 1. From the following balance sheet of Subha and Sudha, who shares profit and losses equally, calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ending 31st December 2017. Liability assets, capitals, current liability, fixed asset, current assets. So the capitals are given in the balance sheet. We should assume the capitals are closing capital. Yes. Drawings of Subha and Sudha were 2,500 and 3,500 respectively. Profit earned during the year was 15,000. But in this question, opening capitals are not given. We have to ascertain. So the heading goes like this: calculation of opening capital. Calculation of opening capital. The partners are Subha and Sudha. Subha and Sudha. First we will take closing capital. Closing capital given in the balance sheet. Name value 15,000 and 20,000. Then we have to add drawings. Drawings are given in the adjustment. Drawing of Subha and Sudha given 2,500. Then for Sudha 3,500. So now 17,500, 23,500 minus additional capital. Additional capitals are given in the adjustment, but in this question not given. We can mark as nil. 17,500 balance 23,500. Then we have to deduct profit earned during the year. We have to deduct profit earned during the year. Here, profit earned during the year, total profit is given. The value of profit 15,000. It should be divided in agreed ratio. Here the agreed ratio is equally. So 1:1. That means half of 1/2, 1/2. For him 7,500. For Subha 7,500. For Sudha 7,500. So now we found our opening capital. Subha opening capital 10,000, Sudha opening capital 16,000. These are all opening capital. Now I am going to calculate interest on capital. First to Subha. Her contribution 10,000. The rate of interest is 6%. Interest on capital payable to Subha is 600 rupees. Next we have to calculate interest on capital for Sudha. Her opening capital is 16,000. On that we should provide 6% interest. So 0 balance 3, 960. Students, let me see one more problem in relation to the calculation of interest on capital. Students, let me learn second problem. Look at the board. Sum number 2. From the following balance sheet of Brinda and Praveena who shared profit and losses in the ratio of 3:4, calculate interest on capital at 6% per annum for the year ended 31st December 2017. Liability, assets. In liability side, capitals are given, profit and loss appropriation account. The profit already credited 10,000. So sundry assets 80,000. On 1st July 2017, Brinda introduced an additional capital. So Brinda's additional capital 6,000, Praveena's additional capital 10,000. The drawings of Brinda 5,000, Praveena 7,000, profit earned during the year 31,000. Now we are going to ascertain opening capital. In this question, there are two important things. Both the partners additional capitals are given as well as profit already credited given. How much? 10,000. Yes. What is the format? Closing capital. Closing capital given in the balance sheet 30,000, 40,000 plus drawings. Drawings always given in the adjustment. The drawings of Brinda 5,000, Praveena 7,000, 35,000, 47,000. Then we have to deduct additional capital. Additional capitals are given in the question in adjustments. So Brinda's introduced on 1/7/2017, value 6,000. Praveena introduced on 1/10/2017, value 10,000. $29,000, here 37,000. Then we have to deduct profit. Profit earned during the year 31,000. Profit earned during the year 31,000. Already credited to the capital how much? 10,000. The profit and loss account given in the balance sheet, which means the profit already credited to the capital account. So balance how much? 21,000. That profit should be divided in the ratio of 3:4. 3:4. The value is 9,000, 12,000. Now we ascertained opening capital 20,000 Brinda, 25,000 Praveena. Opening capitals are ascertained. Opening capitals are ascertained. Now we are going to calculate interest on capital. Interest on capital first for Brinda. Her opening capital 20,000. On that we should provide 6% per annum interest. 6/100. So value 1,200. Her additional capital is 6,000. On that 6%. When it was introduced on 1st July. So 1st July 2017 to our period ending 31st December 2017. Totally we have to provide for 6 months. 6/12. So 6,000 into 6%, 360 into 6/12 equal to 180. So for Brinda, we should provide 1,380 as interest on capital. Then we have to calculate interest on capital for Praveena. Her opening capital already we ascertained 25,000, 6%, 1,500. Then our additional capital 10,000 introduced on 1/10/2017. So 10,000 additional capital, 6%. When she introduced on 1/10/2017 to 31/12/2017. So how many months? We have to provide 3 month interest on capital. 600, 3 month 150. 600, 150, yes. So for Praveena, we have to pay 1,650 as interest on capital. Students, we completed interest on capital in relation to the partnership accounts. In next class, we will solve different problem. Till then, bye and thank you.